Hey everyone, welcome back. New day, new lure, and I just want to start off by just giving a quick shout out to all those that have already subscribed. Thank you so much. It's absolutely phenomenal the support that I'm getting with this. I want to keep turning out content for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, um, it would mean a lot if you did. Helps me out, helps the channel out. We're gonna start off with some sap green hue. Just gonna do a little splotchy pattern along the side of the head. Keeping it random. Come onto the body a little bit. We'll go a bit heavier along the back here. And we'll bring it about halfway down. It doesn't really matter how far down you bring it because we're going to be covering the lower section with a different color anyways. Next we have some permanent green light. And for this, just basically go over the exact same areas. Don't worry about being too careful at this point. Just give a light coat over everything. If you notice there's a huge amount of overspray there, not concerned. So typically when I'm building up colors, I like to start off with the lighter colors and work up to the darker. The reverse is true when I like to have a mottled look. So I usually start darker, work my way to lighter, and we're going to finish off with the fluorescent chartreuse. And we're just going to kind of aim in between the darker spots and just kind of lighten everything up a little bit. Okay, have some metallic true gold, put some hex mesh on, and we're just going to shoot a line down the back. Alright, let's see how we did. Alright, now here's why things like the overspray don't matter so much. So got a little stencil here, it's just a random cutout, nothing particular, but it does fit the profile of the lure. Got the Jacquard opaque black, and what we're going to do is kind of match it up along the back of the gill plate, and take this right to the back. Next we got some titanium white and some ribbon. Just kind of hook it around the tail. And we're going to pull it tight across the body here. Alright. Turn your pressure down for this. Okay, we'll do that to the belly and to the other side, and we'll come right back. Now we have some Wicked aluminum, just to give it a little bit of extra shine here. We'll just kind of spray over the general area with that dark sap green hue back in the brush. Let's just darken up that eye a little bit. Alright, now for some eyes. For this one, I'm going to go for a darker eye. This eye is also quite shiny. So it's still going to give it that little bit of pop. Alright, time for the reveal. Okay. I think we should get some clear on there. Okay, be right back. Okay, here we go. Got some top coat on there. Turned out well. You can kind of see the gold is nice and subtle on the back and the sides there. It's a good contrast in colors. I'm pretty sure this is gonna catch. This is gonna work. Just to basically cover all bases, I did a red one as well. Pretty much the exact same thing, just different shades of red, some transparents and orange in there as well. I'm curious to hear what your opinion is. First of all, was this a decent paint job? Which color do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. For those that do watch the shorts, I just released this one yesterday, just painting a quick shad in less than a minute. So, I mean, it's a little more than a minute, but I did fast forward it, so it's a minute long. And that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for hitting the like button. The comments are great. Talking to you guys is just awesome. And you all have been very supportive. Other than that, thanks so much. Have a great weekend, and take care. Bye.